Hi everyone, it's Dr. Max here. Here's Shemaya. He had his procedure exactly 6 months ago, and today is a follow-up for just to check how things are going and to get his 6 months PRP treatment. So in our facility, every patient continue with follow-ups and also procedures that can help with hair growth by providing this regenerative power like PRP. So today one of these scheduled procedures, and as you can see, we started 6 months ago with pretty much absence of the hairline, and now just 6 months after, you can see what happened. We have a consistent feedback from patients because of advanced hyperbaric treatments that we combine with the surgery on the day of the surgery and postoperatively. The hair continued to grow, so you can see the entire result, but much earlier. You probably look like this, what?
Yeah, a few months ago.
A few months ago.
Yeah.
So by 4 or 5 months, you already look like, otherwise would take you 12 months for your results. So it was a bigger procedure. As you can see, I had it. Shemaya had some thinning in the back, so I had to go further in the mid scalp, and you can see how much improvement we have now. And the most important thing, what do you think? Does it look natural?
Yeah, I think it looks fantastic. I get a lot of compliments. Friends that know that I did it think it looks amazing.
How important was to you that me as a surgeon was present every minute doing every single graft with my own hands?
It was probably the most important reason why I chose to come here. I wanted you to do everything. I didn't want to just be by, you know, a hair farm that,
yes,
you know, does 20 procedures a day. I appreciated the, you know, white glove service of you sitting there doing every detail and, you know, being with me the whole day, and then the follow-ups and all of that was very hands-on and very important.
I spent every minute with the patient from the beginning till the end. I never leave you with somebody else doing any surgical manipulation. So I harvest every single graft my own hands, I implant every single graft my own hands, and I'm there until the surgery is done. How was your postoperative experience? Any pain, any swelling, anything that, you know, might have been concerning to you?
Yeah, so I think like day 3 I had a little bit of swelling, and after that it was pretty much smooth sailing. It took me, I would say, a month till the hair started to grow. You started to see like the baby hairs and shed a little bit. But after that, it's been just, you know, flying. It's been great.
Did it change your life or self-confidence?
Yeah, definitely helps. You know, I don't have to worry about balding and then getting a sunburn on the top of my head, or needing to worry about shaving my head.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, so it was great. And knowing now that I'll have hair for years is great to know.
All right, so any questions about hair restoration procedures we do here, please don't hesitate to contact us, 954-945-2909. The website is bringbackhair.com.